In this video, I'm unboxing a fairly rare IEM. It's a single DD IEM and priced at around $200. This is from JVC. JVC has never been available here in India, but this is one of their most popular IEM in this price range of around $200. They have HA-FW01, 02, 03, and they have a HAF D010203 lineup, and this is the wooden series, premium sound, stereo headphone, okay, 11 dynamic driver, detachable cables. They have had this series for long. They had the HAFW 852, 850, 750, 650. Those were the last gen. This is the latest generation, and I believe these IEMs are doing a bit too well, and they are not feeling the need to refresh them. So these are the set of tips we are getting: spin fit and a couple of pair of foam tips. Let's see what kind of foam tips we are getting. Yeah, these are the more cheaper kind of tips. They are not the premium type, but in any case this will do the job for some time for sure. The package is nice. We are getting a handful of documents here. These tips are keep coming off. So there are no other ways. I'll have to take it out like this. Slightly on the trickier side this unboxing is, but I do not mind. Slightly on the trickier side. In any case, these are the IEMs. Yeah, you guys can see this is a DD IEM and is shaped like a DD. You guys can see the grains of the wood. This is a wooden shell. Looks nice, looks very good to be precise. And this is the case, the JVC carry case, and we are getting a couple of this is the cable clip and this is the cable winder. So this is fairly good package for a $200 IEM. This is a very good sounding IEM, I believe. Should be on the bassier side, but let's see how this one goes. Now what I like about this is that braiding on this cable, this is going to protect it from a lot of stuff, wear and tear and stuff. And as far as I can see, these are slightly on the heavier side, but let's see. This jack is not exactly very premium, but looks nice. Looks nice. I do not mind. JVC, you guys can see. So yeah, this is the unboxing of JVC HA-FW01. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.